There was once a magical toy maker who loved making toy animals for little children. No animal was too hard for him to make until one day a child asked him to make a toy crab for him. The toy maker was stumped. He could not make the toy crab as he has never seen a crab before. Where do you think the toy maker can go to see real crabs? The beach! That's right. Let's see if you can find any crabs. Oh look, that's one. Let's try to get him out. Here he is. We can finally see him. Here's another one. And another one here. Let's count the number of crabs that we found. Let's take a closer look at one of these crabs. A crab has a flat body. It also has these two claws here. We call them pincers. Crabs also scuttle along the beach with these legs here, and their eyes are set on stalks, just like this. Now that the toy maker has seen how crabs look, he returned to his workshop and got down to work. The toy maker shaped the body of the crab. He then shaped the pincers. Once all that is done, he went on to put them together. He added the pincers to the crab, then he added the crab eyes, and lastly the legs. It's time for the toy maker to work his magic. With a snap of his fingers, there it was, a toy crab. The child who had asked for a toy crab was very happy. He loved that special toy crab very much.